issued a child abduction emergency for Olive, Florida, beginning at 6:12 p.m. The Florida Department has been issued for Kristen Sanders, a black male, 7 years old, 3 feet 7 inches tall, 57 pounds. Authority left here and found out
doors and stylish designs.
The child may be in the company of Gene Simus, a black male, 5 feet 8 inches tall. The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Olive, Ariel, 7 years old, 3 feet 7 inches tall, 57 pounds, black hair and brown eyes.
Value you.
West 3rd Street in Riviera Beach, Florida. 5 feet 8 inches tall.
What?
3, 5, 4.
Protest against what they believed was the stealing of the election, but
Guiding us.
Are you serious? Why another Amber Alert? Jeez. You gotta be kidding me. Another Amber Alert. Oh my God.